I'm not too important of a CEO, or whatever that even means, to not do this, because this is the lifeblood of the organization.
My goal is to meet as many people on this planet as possible, people that are positive, people that have more time to create than to be critical.
Yeah.
Grant Cardone.
The man himself.
Come on, man. Hey, let me tell you why I'm calling. All right, you got a second?
Yep.
I got two questions. You got a second?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, second question. Why didn't you buy our product? Why didn't you buy our product?
That's a good question.
It is.
And as I told the gentleman I was talking to, I'm very much sold on the product. Right now, though, I'm in the middle of a restructuring in our business, so I kind of been waiting for the right time to implement such a product.
Of course, of course. And what would that right time? What would that look like to you?
The right time, I would say, would be September, early September.
Okay, good.
A lot happening between now and then.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. A lot happening for a lot of people right now. I agree with that.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a question. What do you, when we get started in September, what do you hope that the product will do for you? You want more sales? You want to make more money? You want to have a better organization?
Okay, so good question.
It is the second good question of the day.
Yeah, we have a growing sales team. I want to create this kind of unanimous approach where everyone's using the same approach to generate more leads and close deals quicker. You know, we work in high-end furniture and lighting.
Yeah.
So our clients are architects and interior designers. They often have to wait on their client's approval. So, you know, sometimes that's tricky for us. How do we incentivize them to close quicker?
To close quicker.
Kind of guarantee that we're in there.
Yeah, the exact reason you're giving me is the number one objective.
Exactly.
It's crazy. It's crazy. It's freaking like Freudian shit. So look. Now let's say I get you generate more leads. We create a great culture, and we close more sales. Financially, what would you hope for this to do for you?
Like I said, financially, from what I was told, this will increase my sales by 20 or 30%, which is great. I'd love to.
Yeah, and how much money would that quantify if I hit the top mark, 30%?
That could be about 2 to 3 million.
Okay, 2 to 3 million a month, or 2 to 3 million a year?
A year.
Okay, that's $800,000 a month.
Yeah.
So we got. What are we in right now? Is this June 15th or 16th, something like that? July, August, September. That's 2 months. 2 times 800. How much is that?
16.
Dude, it's going to cost you $1.6 million to wait.
You're right.
If I guaranteed we'd make you $1.6 million in the next 60 days, would you start today?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to have my guy call you back, all right?
Look, Grant, I appreciate you calling, and I love your passion.
Yeah.
And people like you who are so behind their product inspires me to go ahead and learn more from you.
Let's do it, okay? Let's do it. Hey, can I count on you to get started now?
Yeah, let's do it.
You're the man. Thank you.
All right, thanks.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Jared, for giving me your dad. No, that's not Jared's dad, but I mean, look, sometimes that's all it takes.